Hi guys, Miss Hallett here. Today we're going to practice using a ruler. Now we're just reviewing the whole ruler thing, okay? So what you are going to need today for your activity is a ruler. You're going to need your favorite small toy, one of your favorite books, and then you're going to pick an item of your choice. Okay, so why don't you watch me first and then you can go get all your items and do the activity. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a quick idea of how you are going to practice using your ruler. All right, so let me show you my items that I have collected. Okay, so here I have my toy. Now I'm using my dog's toy because I don't really have any toys and my son really doesn't either anymore. So I'm using my dog's toy. This was my item of choice, a marker, because I've been using markers lately and I think that would be a good choice. And then I have one of my favorite books. Okay, so when you are using a ruler, we want to make sure that you start at what I call 0. Okay, so right here on the ruler, where it starts is 0. Now, if you want to be very, very, very picky and particular, this line right here is where the first inch starts, okay? So this space is in between this line and the edge of the ruler is extra space, okay? So when we start measuring, we're gonna start from 0 and we're gonna go up. Now, there's two sides of a ruler, okay? This is the inch side. If we were to turn it around like this is the centimeter side, okay? Today, we're going to be measuring in inches, so we're gonna use the inch side. Okay, so I'm gonna start by measuring my dog toy here. I'm gonna start right at the edge and go right at my 0 point, and I'm gonna go all the way to the edge. Now it doesn't quite go all the way to 6 inches, but it does go above 5.5 inches. So if it goes above the 1/2 inch, just like rounding, we need to round up to 6. So I can safely say that my dog toy is 6 inches. Okay, now I'm going to measure my book. Now it just says to measure the length, and this right here is the length of my book. So I'm going to turn it this way and I'm going to set my ruler right on top, and I'm going to find 0. There's 0. Oh boy. So if I notice, my book goes in between 7.5 and 8 inches. Now, just like when we round, if it's above the 1/2 inch mark, I'm going to round up to 8 inches because we're rounding to the nearest 1/2 inch. Okay, so my book is 8 inches. Now, my item of choice is my marker, and I'm going to measure that. Make sure I'm at 0. Ooh, and I'm going to go all the way up, and look, it's 5.5 inches, like on the dot. Awesome. So I know exactly that my marker is 5.5 inches. Okay, so now what we're going to do is put that in our slides, okay? So I am going to show you what I mean. Okay, so for my toy here, I would put, whoops, dog bone. the length of my dog bone was 6 inches. Okay, now I'm going to put in the title of my book, which is What is Climate Change? Question mark. Okay, the length of my book, remember that was so close to 7.5 inches, but it was higher, so I had to round up to 8 inches. Now my item of choice was a marker, and the length was exactly 5.5 inches. Okay, now all I need to do is take pictures of my items. All right, guys? So that's how we're going to practice using a ruler today. And I hope you have fun, and I can't wait to see all your toys and the books that are your favorite. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.